Welcome to ePlatform. In this video, you'll learn how you can access and use Levelled Readers to support guided reading across your school. Start by clicking the Levelled Readers tab or tile on your library homepage. You'll see a wide range of titles grouped by level. It's perfect for classroom reading, intervention programs, or individual support, and even as additional options for leisure reading. Levelled Readers are available in both fiction and non-fiction. Each book is carefully matched to a reading level, helping students build fluency and confidence. View Summary for details on page extent and word count per level. Titles can be used in the classroom, at home, or on individual devices, with unlimited and simultaneous access for your school. Use the Analytics page to track how students are engaging with Levelled Readers. You can view how many books have been borrowed each month and which levels are being read the most. To view actual student usage, open the Patron Progress Report. This shows you how individual students are progressing through the levels, including their most recently read titles and activity by month. It's a great way to monitor reading habits and support student participation. And that's it. Explore the Levelled Readers collection, track student progress, and support structured reading across your school on ePlatform.